Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. Apple has pressed charges against Zhiliang Zhang, one of its former hardware engineers, after he admitted to stealing trade secrets and intellectual property from the firm's secretive autonomous car division. Zhang told investigators he downloaded the files and airdropped them onto his wife's personal laptop with the intent of providing them to a Chinese startup. Zhang worked on circuit boards for Apple's autonomous car division, so he had access to highly confidential information including tech bulletins, reports, and blueprints. A criminal complaint, filed by federal prosecutors, explains he announced his resignation in April and said he planned to move back to China to take care of his sick mother, according to the Mercury News. He also told his supervisors he had accepted a position at a 4-year-old automaker named Xiaopeng Motors. The company remains relatively obscure outside of China, but it's financially backed by well-known names like Alibaba and Foxconn. Apple's security officials asked Zhang to turn in his 2 work-issued iPhones and his MacBook after he announced his resignation. Apple then launched an investigation into his activities online and realized he had downloaded an immense amount of data in the days leading up to his resignation. Suspicious, they examined footage from security cameras and, according to court documents obtained by The Verge, saw him leaving his lab with a large box containing circuit boards and a Linux server, cables, and a keyboard on April 28. The complaint notes investigators found most of Zhang's network activity consisted of both bulk searches and targeted downloading of copious pages of information from the various confidential database applications. Summoned back to Apple's Cupertino, California, headquarters, Zhang quickly admitted to downloading the files and transferring them to his wife's laptop. Investigators call a full 60% of the data stored on the computer highly problematic. It includes information about topics such as prototypes, power requirements, battery systems, and drivetrain suspension mounts. Zhang voluntarily left his position at Apple on May 5. And the FBI searched his home on June 27. What they found, if anything, hasn't been made public yet. Federal agents arrested Zhang on July 7, 2018, as he went through a security checkpoint at the San Jose airport. Officials say he had recently purchased tickets to Hangzhou, China, via Beijing. If found guilty, he'll face up to 10 years in jail and a $250,000 fine. Ride-sharing giant Uber recently settled a similar case for $245 million. In 2017, Waymo filed a lawsuit against Uber claiming ex-engineer Anthony Lewandowski downloaded confidential files about autonomous car technology before leaving the company to establish a firm named Otto. Uber quickly purchased Otto and, according to Waymo's lawyers, received the valuable files stolen by Lewandowski as part of the deal. When it announced the settlement, Uber pledged to learn from past mistakes but never admitted wrongdoing. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.